Exploring new brands. Today, Pastel Goth by Swatch Queen, the liner and the shadow palettes. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for watching today. Hey, if you're not a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications? Thanks so much. Today I'm going to experiment with a new independent brand. The brand is called Swatch Queen. The collection is Pastel Goth. This is a collection of liners and this is a collection of shadows. This is the liner palette. You see the different shades. And the shadow palette, similar shades, but the shadows are more matte. The liners, I believe, are meant to be used damp. So I'm going to try it out right now. This one was actually ordered by my daughter. She read all the instructions and everything. She suggested to do the liners with a damp brush and also to moisten your eyelids with a little bit of a wet sponge prior to doing it. So I'm going to start, I'm going to start by taking this color called Cloud with the damp brush and put this in the crease. This liner. Yeah, it goes on very smooth when it's moist like this. And now I think I'm going to take Daydream, which is sort of the turquoise, and I'm going to try that under the eye. I was intrigued by this collection. It's called Pastel Goth, and I've never really been a goth by any stretch of the imagination, but I love pastel looks. I think the look I create is going to be somewhere in between boho and mod, rather than goth. I was saying to complete my liner look, I'm going to take this Abyss, the black right in the middle, and use that right above the lash line. Yes, this comes on like a very soft black, so I do like this shade. I think I may do one more thing, a liner swab with this Lolita, this pink. Get the black off the brush. And put a little bit of that right in the corners. Okay. Alright, now I'm going into the shadow palette, which is more matte shadows. And I think I'm going to take Lolita, the soft pink, and put it across the base of my eye. There's a little bit of fallout here, but the colors are very soft, very smooth, very easy to use. Now I'm taking this packing brush. I'm going to go in with the yellow and put the yellow like right in the center corner, moving inward. And I'm taking this nice fluffy brush with this petal, sort of purplish shade, and just sort of going across the top of the crease line with that. And I don't think I'm quite done with the blue yet, so let's take Cloud and start with the outer edge of the eye and move in. And we can't leave out green, so let's take a little bit of Creepy and just sort of put a little line right in the center here. And I can't leave out Daydream. I love Daydream, so let's go along the crease again with Daydream. Okay, so what I've sort of done here is just taken this Pastel Goth and made sort of a bohemian rainbow on my eyelids. And I'll take this blender brush again and maybe take a touch of the petal and just sort of blend it all together. And just sort of let it all blend it into this sort of watercolor effect. Okay, let me go put on my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, my mascara's done. I'm ready to start my day. Nice, beautiful, sunny day out today. So what I did, I created sort of a bohemian rainbow look with this Pastel Goth collection. This, again, this is the shadows, and here are the liners. And basically you just use either wet eyelid or wet brush for the liners to get the liner look. And it's a really pretty collection. This is an indie brand, Swatch Queen. You can buy it online at swatchqueen.com. And I'm kind of glad my daughter showed me this. This is a fun look. Have you discovered a new brand that you'd like for me to try? If so, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, really appreciate it if you give this video the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.